Hi everybody, it's Claire. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this very easy, sleek ponytail look that makes you look like you tried a lot harder than you actually did. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and create a straight center part. I'm just using a little bobby pin because it's the closest thing to me that was pointy. I'm going to create a center part down the middle, and that's all you do in terms of perfecting. That's the hardest step in this whole entire tutorial. So now I grabbed a hair tie with a wrap ponytail. These are great if you want your ponytail to be a little bit more elevated. I love that it's a gold piece of hardware too, so it just accents your ponytail nicely. So what you're gonna go ahead and do is just grab the hair and pull it down towards the back. And I like to do a really nice low pony for this. Use your hands to just press everything down until you get the shape that you like. We're going to control those flyaways in just a second here. So I'm just going to secure that low ponytail. And then take that piece of hardware, open it up. Then just wrap it around the base of that ponytail so it disguises that band. Whew, I'm sweating now after that. Now what we're going to do is just focus on the flyaways, and this is what's going to help make your look nice and sleek and put together. This is one of my favorite tricks. You guys have seen this a lot in my recent videos. So what you'll need is an old toothbrush that you're not using anymore, and then your favorite hairspray. And what I like to do is spray the toothbrush a bit, and it definitely goes everywhere, but I'm also going to spray the front section here where I get a lot of flyaways. I'm even just going to do one side to show you guys the difference of what this can do. So what you do is just work that hairspray down into your hair. I like to draw my fingers right behind that toothbrush just to make sure I'm getting every hair and flyaway. And it just presses everything down, and it gives your hair this really nice, healthy shine to it too. I like to really concentrate some of the hairspray right next to my ear because that's where I like get some sideburn flyaways, and it gets a little crazy right by my ear. You're gonna see the difference. It just makes it a little bit more tidy, and every time I do this I get a compliment. I don't know why and what it is. I think it just gives that really beautiful healthy shine. Hair's a little bit fluffy in the back. Sometimes what I do is even spray the ponytail just to get it to be a little less puffy, because my hair is pretty thick and kind of gets a little out of control. So what I do is I kind of just hold it, spray the ponytail, and it makes it a little bit more sleek and almost as if you ran a straightener through it without even running a straightener through it. Honestly, such a good way to have your hair look tidy and kind of just pulled back and out of your face without having to use any hot tools. That's really what's key here. And now I have a hair in my eye. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below and what video you might like to see next. If it's a hairstyle, a makeup look, or a review video, I'm open to hearing what you guys think. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to see more videos of mine in your inbox coming soon. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for joining me here as always, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.